Enjoy the view of this 2022 Ford Transit Connect. Here's a Ford Transit Connect commercial, the comfortable and convenient small van that's ideal for use in urban settings. Whether your business is moving people or cargo, this vehicle offers the flexibility and maneuverability your business needs to optimize service and productivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the satisfaction that comes from running your passenger or cargo service with comfort, safety, and efficiency. This Transit Connect commercial van has your back. Our commercial dealer experts will be happy to show you how we can help your business. Contact us or stop by today.